What, sir?
One sunrise 88.
What are
500 for 2 hours. Unlimited drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if you want request a girl, 500 only, stay with you for 2 hours.
Sir, see, I am looking for the marriage.
Yeah, if you want talk first. Many beautiful, only you wanna check?
No, talk with their parents.
Yeah, no problem, you talk to the girl. Very
Not with the lady, with parents.
With parents.
Yeah, I am looking for marriage, not girlfriend. I don't have time.
You want marriage
Marriage.
with a girl.
Yeah, so I have to talk to their
Talk
parents.
about this. Talk first this, then you give your Facebook, then
See,
communication.
see,
You only see
No,
first.
no, see. People come here for doing sex.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they are not wife material. I know. They are not
No.
wife.
You check single mom, not
No. I don't want single mom. I want a girl.
girl. Yeah, you check.
No,
first.
for marriage. They are for.
For marriage. Yeah.
They,
This one,
they
oh.
will not marry.
No, this is KTV. If you want to marriage the girl, talk first, then
Means it have entry fees.
yeah,
No, I will go free.
no problem. Yeah. Free. Yeah.
Yeah, right now, no.
Yeah.
No, I will
no
later.
entry fee.
No, I have to eat first.
You check first, then you come back.
No, I hungry.
See first the
I'm
girl.
hungry. See, I am asking.
Yeah.
Means I can go to the set charge. 500.
No. Not charge. Only see the girl. Then if you want, okay.
No. If you want, means you are saying means. Yeah.
You want?
No. Means by watching them, what to do? Means, no. I don't understand. If I watch, then
No, this is just talking about for marriage. You sit first for 2 hours, 500 peso.
but they are not a wife material, you know. No? They can't make a wife.
Yeah, talk first. Then if
Sir,
you
don't
want,
understand. They are selling their bodies. How can I marry them? You don't understand.
I understand
Yeah,
you.
now I
You
understand.
find for marriage.
Yeah, I
But
want
if you
sacred-
want to marriage, talk first the girl, and then you sit 2
But
hours.
I can't marry them. You don't understand. They are selling body.
No ceiling.
Yeah, selling their body.
No marriage.
But they are.
No. No.
Sir, they are.
If
If foreigner wants to sleep with them, so they are sleeping. So how can make them wife? Sir, you have family.
yeah.
You have wife.
Yeah, I have. I have 6 daughters,
See.
6 kids.
So your wife work here or not?
No.
Then-
My wife is working Bayview
Means what she is doing?
restaurant.
The see restaurant. It's a respectable job. This is not a respectable.
Yeah.
This is selling body.
But if you want,
Sir. I came from India.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, and I came for marriage.
Yeah, if you want, okay.
So if you have,
I give you my Facebook if you want for marriage.
so you have a contact.
I have so many.
Yeah.
Okay, search my name at the
Okay.
Facebook.
Okay.
3,
Yeah. Means below 25.
yeah,
I am
25.
married.
Or 30, like
So
that.
I will directly go. Means I want to go to their house, talk to the parents, and I will. They are poor, so I will help them family also.
Yeah, with
Five
family. But maybe not now. Maybe tomorrow I will send you.
Yeah,
picture.
tomorrow at night.
Where you stay here?
Huh?
Where your hotel here?
No, stay Malatu. That's why they are going.
I will message you tomorrow.
So where they live? Means where their house?
My house, Las Piñas, from here 1 hour.
Okay. What? Les Pinas.
Las Piñas,
Yeah.
1 hour from here. Take a bus.
Okay. See, if you message me, then I will. Means,
Yeah.
You have to take boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, ferry.
No.
Boat
Oh.
means ferries. Boat means ferries.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ferries.
ferries. Yeah. So means first I have to go on land, then use a boat.
Oh, look, the girl. Oh.
Yeah. But I can marry them.
Yeah.
I want to marry Jenu.
Yeah, I give you.
See, look at her. Any man will see her want to Text with her.
Yeah.
Sir, this is a reality.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Eh?
Okay, I bring you back. My friend. What's your name again?
Ritesh. I send you a Facebook request so you can see.
Rodrigo.
Yeah. Rodrigo, yeah. So, मुझे last Pinas I have to.
Yeah, Las Piñas.
Yeah.
But I'm working here, Sunrise.
Yeah.
Sunrise FM.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning, 4 p.m. or 3 a.m. I go.
4 p.m.
No, a.m.
4 a.m. you come here. Oh,
I go.
no, you do night shift.
Yeah.
So at 4 a.m. you go, and when you come here?
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Okay, means I have time. Means I can come for there 9 a.m. 10 a.m. And we will meet. So better you give